If pizza night is feeling a little repetitive, change up the way you make it. Heidi VanValkenburg joining me outside on the plaza today to share her Dutch oven pizza technique. We're going Dutch with the pizza.
We are, and you know what? I couldn't do this inside, right? Because when you Dutch oven, you gotta do it outside.
Look at this deep guy.
Okay, I wanted to tell you about this. These liners are like a blessing because they just drop down in. You make it, you can pull it right out of your Dutch oven.
Amazing.
So the cleanup is just like so easy to do.
This is revolutionary to me because I'm not a big camper. Do you judge me? Are you judging me right now?
No judgment.
Right.
Neither am I.
I love Dutch oven.
I'm just going to show you this, okay? So this is just 10 of the dinner rolls, and I just put them out, and they just really warm and like just really easy. And we're just going to spread those around in the bottom of this pan.
Okay.
Another thing that I want to remind, I did these little pieces of foil. So when I'm letting this rest for 15 minutes, I kind of stuck this under, and when I bake it in the Dutch oven, I want to keep it just vented enough that it doesn't go soggy, okay?
Oh.
So
what do you do with this?
So you take the lid and you're going to just use that to keep your lid from going down on top.
I see, just suspend the lid.
Yep. Yeah, or you can use these sticks too. What do you call those sticks?
That works for me.
Okay, thank you.
Our camping expertise is
I'm
shining
sorry.
bright today.
I'm sorry.
No,
you do your marshmallows on the
with
fire
you.
with those.
Oh yeah, the skewers or
I don't know. Anyway, you know what we're talking about. So you can use that to prop your lid or a little bit of foil. And then I just spread this in the bottom, and like I said, I would let it rest for about 15 minutes, but the magic of TV, we have to move on.
We're here.
Okay, and then if you don't want to buy these liners, you can just buy these at a camping store, sporting goods, IFA, whatever. You can just line it with parchment paper, and then you can lift it out with the parchment paper.
Those are the dishes I like to do.
Okay,
right there.
Right, really easy to do. And then I'm just going to do, so on the recipe on our website on Rhodes Bacon Serve, it says to do garlic salt, but I'm going to step it a little bit. I love the Italian herb seasoning.
Sure, yeah.
So I'm just going to sprinkle that on there, and I would take more time and spread this out and let it rest. So just pretend it's all the way to the edges. And then I would do my pizza sauce. Okay. And then it's whatever toppings that you want to do. This is one of those recipes that's kind of not really a recipe because it's up to you how much sauce.
You get to customize it.
You get to customize it. And then to do this, you're going to do 18 briquettes on the top. So you can be getting those ready while your dough is thawing in here, like while you spread it out. 18 on top, 9 on the bottom, 350 that would be. And then you're going to bake it like 25 to 30 minutes in the Dutch oven.
Ready for cheese?
Help yourself. So the reason, like I said, you want to vent that is because otherwise it will be soggy.
Okay.
So any kind of toppings you want. I love pepperoni. I love the mini pepperonis. I use those in salads, but I think that's fun for kids to do those too. And then olives, green peppers,
I mean, you know how
peppers.
I feel about olives. I've been snacking.
Well, I didn't want to draw attention that there is a few less in my bowl since we came out here on the plaza.
Little plaza snack.
I know, but whatever you want to do. I did these, I diced these up, the green peppers, and then they're a little bit smaller. If you want them to really show up, you can do thin slices. So, and if you're noticing this perfectly shaped pizza.
Yeah, look at that.
So if you don't want to do Dutch oven, you can do all of this in a regular pizza pan, in your regular oven. If you're not a camper and you don't want to do that, you can always make this same pizza in a pizza pan. You could do a deep dish pizza pan, a regular pizza pan, and you can make pizza. And we have lots of recipes. So this is just one of the Dutch oven ideas that are on there. We have a garlic roll, we have a s'more bun that you can do in the Dutch oven. And so you can just, any of those that you want to do.
Where can we get all of those recipes?
Go to RhodesBaconServe.com.
Okay.
You were kind of chintzy on the cheese there.
Thank you. Yes, I accept that feedback.
So anyway, but any
Top
of
me
those.
off, Heidi.
Okay, I'm topping you off.
Deep dish pizza you can take with you into the great outdoors. We are Dutch ovening. Is that a verb? It is now.
I think it is now.
Rhodes Bacon Serve. We'll link you over to their website for all of the great yummy recipes Heidi just promised. It's so good to see you always.
Thank you
so much.